everyone. Welcome to another video tutorial on CanLII. My name is Hui-Litwin. I'm the founder of Litigation Help, a public legal education project that's based in Ontario, Canada. In this video, I'm going to show you some paragraph tools that will really help you in your case law research. If you haven't already done so, please take a look at my introductory videos on CanLII. Okay, let's get started. Now we're going to start at the beginning. We're going to start on this first page on CanLII with the search bars. So let's use an example. Suppose you're a self-represented litigant and you want to find cases on costs for self-represented litigants. So I would go here on the document text search bar and I'll just simply try this. Self-represented litigants. I would say, let's say I want to find cases that have this term within the same sentence or /s as the word costs. Okay, so let's see what happens. So if you do a search on that, of course, you're gonna get many, many cases. And since I'm in Ontario, I just like to narrow it down to Ontario. I have left this by relevance, this sorting function, because I want to find the documents that are most relevant to costs for self-represented litigants. So let's leave it as that. And then you'll see that a number of cases pop up. There's a fairly recent case, Langfeld versus TBSB, 2018. And then I go down and I see, oh, okay, there's a case called Mustang Investigations versus Ironside. It's a 2010 case. And it's been cited many times. It's been cited by 59 documents. So that caught my eye. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at it. So I click on that case. And of course, CanLII will bring you right away to the document. And this is the judge's decision on this dispute, this matter. Now, I want to show you some paragraph tools that will really, I think, help you when you're doing legal research, especially in case law. And that's, if you scroll down the case, you'll see a whole bunch of these like little V symbols on the right-hand side, and it just kind of continues down. So these little V symbols are, they're paragraph tools. There's one for each paragraph. So for example, paragraph 1, if you hover over it, it just right away, there's a little prompt that says paragraph tools. And if you click on that, a little window comes up and you got several options. So you can, if you click on this one, CanLII allows you to copy the text of this paragraph onto your clipboard so you can add it to your factum later if you want. Same thing, if you want to copy the citation to your clipboard, you can use this option here. Now I'm just going to jump down to the last two options. The last two options here, save this paragraph and email this paragraph. These options are available if you have an account on Lexbox. And Lexbox basically is almost kind of like a little filing drawer that you have on the cloud that you can sort of like store any of your favorite cases that you found and that sort of thing. So I'm not going to get into that today, but what I would like to show you in this video is the citing documents one, which I find quite nifty. So if you go down on this decision, Mustang versus Ironside, and you just scroll down the page, you'll see that every so often there's going to be these speech bubble symbols coming, speech bubble like icons coming up. And there's usually a number inside the speech bubbles. So what these are symbols, these are the icons that you can click on to find any subsequent cases that cite this particular judge's decision. So for example, here, citing documents 1, it means that another case has cited this particular paragraph. Now, see here, just to be clear, we are at paragraph 14 now. We have this little speech bubble balloon here. And if you click on that, citing document says 1, it means that there's another subsequent decision that cites paragraph 14. If you go on down, you'll see the next paragraph, same thing. There's been another citing document. And it gets very interesting because if you go scroll down, paragraph 23 here, there's actually been 9 documents that cited paragraph 23. Another shortcut I wanted to show you about citing documents is the blue bar that you see at the side. If you hover your mouse over it, you see that there are these bigger, bigger pop-up windows that come up as you go down. So the darker the blue, the more documents, the more subsequent documents have cited the particular paragraph. So for example, let's say if I hover here, it says paragraph 14, citing documents 1. So paragraph 14 has 1 subsequent document that cites this particular paragraph. But if you jump down here on this blue bar, paragraph 18's got 3 citing documents. And if you jump down further, you'll see that paragraph 23, there's actually been 9 documents that cites this particular paragraph 23. So you'll know that paragraph 23 is probably pretty important. And again, if you go down further, okay, paragraph 27, you got 7 subsequent documents that cite this paragraph. So obviously paragraph 27 is another one of these hot paragraphs. This blue bar at the side is pretty handy, and it's a very quick way to find out the most, I guess, exciting and important parts of a judge's decision. Let's say that you're interested in this paragraph 23, go, oh, 9 documents are cited. What is that about? So if you click on this intensively blue part of the blue bar, it will take you, of course, right to paragraph 23. So if you go on the right-hand side and you just click on the speech bubble and you click on citing documents, it will bring you the 9 documents on this one page. So you can scroll through the 9 documents. You can take a look at what the subsequent cases, how they've discussed or interpreted paragraph 23 of Mustang. There's one last nifty trick I want to show you. Sometimes when you're doing legal research, you kind of jump around a lot. I find I do that. Sometimes if you're way down in a decision and you're like, oh, but I want to go back to the top to find something, then you're like forever scrolling like this to go to the top. And it really kind of like takes a long time if your judge's decision is over 100 paragraphs long. So what CanLII does here is this nice gray button called back to the top. It might seem like a small thing, but I really love this button because it allows me to jump back to the very top in a second. So I mean, basically, you know, if you're in a decision that's like many paragraphs long, hundreds of paragraphs long, wherever you are, you can always just quickly go to this gray button at the bottom right-hand corner, and you can always go back to the beginning. Okay, so that's all I want to show you today. I hope that this will help you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel because we have regular videos coming up. And if you hit the bell, you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. So thank you very much again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.